sand, thank you. Less sand.
Oh, look, oh, here comes the big one. Whoa. Now she's ready to go swim. Come on, honey. Okay, it's my turn. Put me in the video too. Oh, you have to put your hands here so you don't have to drop. That's video, honey. Don't stop it. Stop it?
No, I don't think so. Oh, here she goes, here she goes, here she goes. Why am I turning the video sideways? Everyone's gonna go, whoa, why did he do that? I was thinking picture. I messed up. I only did it once. I had some fun.
I did it too. I thought it also.
You think of camera, yeah, I know.
Mom, do you want me to go further more? Look, Commander, look! Commander, come here! Go, Mom! Bring Mama, come on!
Get out of my hand.
Okay, you play with it. That's sorry.
Okay, let's run down to the water and see how far we can go without getting wet. Or dig in the sand.
Are you done? What is that?
I have my own sand goo. And what shall I do with this? Throw it at Mama?
That's not a snowball. Sorry. Are you done?
Daddy go on the water, Amanda?
Go, you can go far. Daddy, show it to her. You're not afraid. Amanda, look. Uh-oh. You didn't see Daddy. Dad, Amanda, you go with Daddy. Amanda, don't you want to help Daddy? Are you done? I think that's long enough. What do you think?
I think so. Signing off. Until next time.
Goodbye!
Oh, Kending. Next week, Kending will get some more.
Say goodbye, Amanda. Look at Mommy. Say goodbye.
The cowabunga, dude. Peace out.
She's making her pose.
Peace out with something in the middle for you. 3 years old.